So here are my succulents 3 days after the repotting, and I'm going to add a little water to them. Let me see here. Oh, this is not going to work. Let me see here. Just adding some water. Oh, this thing is coming out a tiny bit. Oh my, I didn't realize it's going to come out that much. Trying to get it to the area where I know the roots are. Was I supposed to cut this hole open some more? I don't know, but it's coming out in like tiny little skirts. Okay. I don't know, I think I might have put too much. I might have to pour some of that out. Let me see. Let me do this one here. I think I might have put too much in that first one. I might have to pour some off. It would have been easier for me to just take them out this window, but I didn't do that. And I especially need to be careful in these pots, since these are the ones that do not drain, that don't have a drain hole. Let's see. This elephant one. I don't know if anything coming out of the bottom. Yeah, I didn't see anything come out of the bottom. I don't know. I hope I don't kill these babies. Let me see. Oh, I thought the water was floating at the top of this one. That's why I said I thought I might have to pour some off, but it doesn't feel, I don't feel any water on the top. I got a little on this leaf. Yeah, I don't know, because they say you should give it a good drenching, you know, when you do water them. But I don't know, because the last thing I want to do is overwater them and they start getting root rot. Okay, it's coming out the bottom now. As you can see, it's draining out the bottom. Okay, so that's good. So now I know I can stop watering that one. So, which means I probably don't have to add any more to these. I think I added enough. Maybe this one, I didn't add as much to this one. But of course I can't see what's at the bottom. You remember I didn't put the soil all the way to the bottom. I have, oops, why's that go? Oops, I got it upside down, I can't. Oh, I need my other hand. Oh Lord, I need an assistant, Ricky. Or stop being lazy and put this thing on a tripod or something. But yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that leaf off. Got some water on that one too. Let me see here. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna trust that I did enough and not too much. Yeah. So this is day 3. I'm gonna keep tabs on them, and I think what's today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe Friday or Saturday, I'll put them back in my bedroom window. Bye.